Hi everyone, welcome back to iHeartHealth. Today we're going to talk about a simple yet effective way to boost your digestion and overall health using fennel seeds after meals. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Let's get into it. Fennel seeds, also known as saunf in many parts of the world, have been used for centuries as a digestive aid. These small greenish seeds come from the fennel plant and are packed with essential nutrients and compounds that promote health. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using fennel seeds after meals and share some easy ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. Fennel seeds are rich in dietary fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They contain essential oils like anethol, freshen, and estragol, which contribute to their unique flavor and medicinal properties. Let's dive into why you should consider using fennel seeds after meals. Benefit 1. Aids digestion. One of the primary reasons to use fennel seeds after meals is their ability to aid digestion. The essential oils in fennel seeds stimulate the secretion of digestive juices, which helps break down food more efficiently. This can reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion, making you feel more comfortable after eating. Benefit 2. Freshens breath. Fennel seeds are also great for freshening your breath. Chewing on these seeds releases their essential oils, which have antimicrobial properties. This helps kill bacteria in the mouth and leaves you with a fresh, clean feeling. Benefit 3. Relieves heartburn. If you often suffer from heartburn or acid reflux, fennel seeds can provide relief. They help neutralize stomach acids and soothe the lining of the digestive tract, reducing the burning sensation associated with heartburn. Benefit 4. Promotes detoxification. Fennel seeds have diuretic properties, which means they help increase urine production. This can aid in the elimination of toxins from the body, promoting overall health and well-being. Benefit 5. Supports weight loss. Fennel seeds can also support weight loss efforts. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer. This can reduce overeating and snacking between meals. Now let's look at some simple and effective ways to use fennel seeds after meals. Method 1. Chewing fennel seeds. The most common way to use fennel seeds is to chew them directly after meals. Simply take a teaspoon of fennel seeds and chew them thoroughly. This will release their essential oils and promote digestion and fresh breath. Method 2. Fennel tea. Another popular method is to make fennel tea. To do this, boil 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in a cup of water for about 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it warm. Fennel tea can be soothing and help with digestion and relaxation after a meal. Method 3. Fennel seed infusion. You can also prepare a fennel seed infusion. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to a cup of hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Drink this infusion after meals to benefit from its digestive properties. Method 4. Fennel seed powder. If you prefer a more convenient option, you can use fennel seed powder. Simply grind fennel seeds into a fine powder and store it in an airtight container. After meals, take half a teaspoon of the powder with warm water. This method is quick and effective for promoting digestion. Here are a few tips to get the most out of your fennel seeds. Tip 1. Use fresh seeds. Always use fresh fennel seeds for maximum benefits. Check for their freshness by ensuring they have a strong, pleasant aroma. Tip 2. Store properly. Store fennel seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve their flavor and potency. Tip 3. Moderate consumption. While fennel seeds are beneficial, it's important to consume them in moderation. About 1 teaspoon after meals is sufficient to reap their digestive benefits. Let's address some common questions about using fennel seeds after meals. Question 1. Can I use fennel seeds if I have a medical condition? Fennel seeds are generally safe for most people. However, if you have a medical condition or are taking medication, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding fennel seeds to your routine. Question 2. Are there any side effects of using fennel seeds? Fennel seeds are safe when used in moderation. Excessive consumption can lead to mild side effects like nausea or an allergic reaction in some individuals. Stick to the recommended amounts to avoid any issues. Question 3. Can fennel seeds be used by pregnant women? Fennel seeds can be beneficial for pregnant women, especially for relieving digestive issues. However, it's important to use them in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider to ensure they are safe for your specific situation. Using fennel seeds after meals is a simple and natural way to enhance digestion, freshen breath, and promote overall health. Whether you chew them directly, make a tea, or use them in powdered form, these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your post-meal routine. Soft, calming music playing in the background. Thank you for watching iHeartHealth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. See you next time.